Hello and welcome to Microsoft Excel tutorial from IT Army, and this is tutorial number 87. And this video we are going to talk about the last option or last tool related to what if analysis, and the name of that tool is Solver. So previously in tutorial number 85 we talked about a tool that was called as Goal Seek. The only limitation of that tool was that only one input parameter could be changed to get to a particular goal, but in case if you want to change multiple input parameter to attain a goal, you can use Solver for that. So let's see how to work with Solver. Now the Solver tool is not by default available in the data tab under the what if analysis. It's basically an add-in, and that add-in, first of all, you need to enable it to use it. So to enable it, you just need to go onto the backstage by clicking on File, click on Options, and on the left hand side click on Add-ins, and at the bottom at Manage Excel Add-ins click on Go, and then you are getting the list of all the Excel add-ins. Right now we are interested in Solver add-in, so go ahead and select the checkbox for Solver add-in and click on OK. Now you can see that the Solver add-in got added on the data tab. The very last command group is called Analyze, and we are getting the Solver button over there. So when I go ahead and click on that button, we are getting this Solver parameters window. In this case, we need to specify that the objective I need to set for this cell to a value of 30. So what I'm having basically over here in this sheet is the sales for the different regions for current month, and that is totaling to 50. Now I want to set the target for the next month, and the next month target is $30 million, and that can be attained only by changing all these different parameters. So I can say over here that by changing variable cells, and I will select all these cells. Over here I can put the restrictions, or you can say constraints, that what value or which zone value should be higher than a particular number or lesser than particular number. But as of now, let's go ahead with the default option and click on Solve. So without any restriction, it's gonna give me the solution value of 30 by changing all these values. And this is what the result we are getting. So in case if you are happy, you can go ahead and click on OK. If you are not happy, you can say restore the original values and click on Go. So if I want to have a restriction that I know that in the Western region I cannot have sales more than $7 million, I can put the constraint over there. So I go ahead and click on OK. So you can see as of now the sales I'm having is $5 million. I want to put maximum restriction to $7 million. So go ahead and Solver, and over here I can add the constraint. To add a constraint, I'll go ahead and click on Add, and then I will select this cell should be less than equal to 7 and click on OK. If you want to add more constraints, you can keep on adding any number of constraints over here. So I'm fine with this. Now I'll go ahead and click on Solve, and now you can see that it has done the calculation, but this sales target for West zone is not exceeding 7. If you are fine with this, go ahead, click OK. And one thing you need to be careful, if you click on OK, there is no undo option. You will not be able to go back. So if you are not happy, you just don't save the workbook, close the workbook without saving, and reopen the workbook. So I'll just go ahead and click on OK. And now you can see I have accepted this change, and there is no undo option enabled. So be careful with this. So that's all about Solver. Definitely we can do a lot of more complex stuff, but this is the simplest thing that you can do with Solver. So hope you like this video. If you have any other questions or comments, please post in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.